Hello, my name's Gary Ford, Managing Director of Tiger Hobbies Limited. We're UK importers and distributor within the UK hobby trade. Many of you have noticed over the last few years massive increases in price of everything, not just hobbies, general goods, food. A lot of this has been caused by poor exchange rates and often the shipping crisis that was going on for almost 2 years. Well, we're coming out of it a little bit, but it's still challenging. So what Tiger Hobbies started thinking about at the time of the start of the shipping crisis is to do ranges of products where we go to our suppliers, renegotiate better deals. If we have to buy in bigger numbers, that will be fine. Use any good exchange rates we've got and reserve them, and any good shipping rates we've got reserved for this range of products that we now call core range. Now, 2 brands are involved in core range. There is Ryefield, which we can see here, which are the tanks at the back, which are 1/35th scale plastic construction kits that we have managed to reduce from a retail price of $46.99, $49.99 on the Sherman Firefly, down to a new retail price of around about £35 and around about $39.99 on the Firefly. This makes these plastic kits by Ryefield, without doubt, the most competitive 1/35th construction kits in armoured fighting vehicles you can buy on the market. The other brand that we started a little earlier as a tester was Hobbymaster. Now, Hobbymaster, as you can see here, which are these diecast, beautiful diecast model aircraft, have been going now almost 20 years. But around about 2, maybe 3 years ago, we started introducing, again, a core range product where we again buy with Hobbymaster on a bigger basis. Again, do everything we did on the plastic kit and get the retail price down. An example of this is the Tornado. We have here 617 Squadron Tornado, which would normally retail around about $105.99. With core range, that is now $79.99. As a trader within the hobby trade, which we're always looking for new hobby traders to sell our products, you will get a full trade margin off that new retail price. Therefore, and the good thing about this, you will not be under cosh of heavy discounting. The others are getting no different price to you. It doesn't matter if you buy 1 aeroplane off me or 500. That is the price. That is the trade price. The retail price can still be competitive, but it's not going to be mega heavily discounted. Detail, there is no difference in detail. These are exactly same Hobbymaster aircraft as the ones costing more. It's just that how we buy them and sell them. But the detail is second to none. And I'm going to give you an example of 2 of these details. This is the 617 Squadron F-35B from the Royal Air Force or UK Lightning Force, and we've taken die-cast detail to this on a new level. As you can see, the open weapon bays and all the weapon versions that you can get with this aircraft. But again, this is around about $79.99. This is the Eurofighter Typhoon. It's actually the one behind us here. Is the same aircraft on our promotions. This is the one from Falklands, Mount Pleasant, defending 1435 flight. Again, this is without doubt the best Eurofighter in 72. As you look down the aircraft, you will see that beautiful wing sweep, sweeping up to the fuselage. It is the only model that recreates this in 72. Most of them have got literally flat wings and not particularly accurate. But again, this model is for sale now at just $69.99 from Tiger Hobbies. Many of our World War II warbirds are only $59.99, including the beautiful Princess Elizabeth, which was a young US Army Air Force pilot who named his aircraft after the young Princess Elizabeth. Fantastic deals for fantastic products. And we are yet looking for more value, and we will introduce this across more ranges. As well as our own core range, I'm always working with other UK distributors to find good value products. And one of these value products is Hella. Hella is one of these brands. It's French, now French-German owned, that for years has been overlooked. And we've working with the UK importer to sell lots of this and move lots of this Revel into model shops. It is incredible value. as we're talking about D-Day recently, this model at the bottom is just £20. In that, you get a Sherman tank in 72nd scale, you get an LCVP landing craft, and you get a squad of American soldiers. The aircraft one, you get the Focke-Wulf 190, the P-51, and 2 sets of ground figures. Again, just for $19.99. Fantastic value. To get these models, go to Tiger Hobbies at www.tigerhobbies.co.uk. Thank you very much.